rattling.
Yeah, I just seen what I could see.
Yeah. Peter won't let us pull over and cry in his tent. Alright guys, as you can see, it is now the next day. We still have yet to find a Corvette, but right now we're currently at my client's house from out of state, checking up on it. It's been delayed for a few months just because of construction, permitting, and all that stuff. But it finally has a roof right now. So I'm gonna take a break from looking at cars and update my out-of-state client, and then go back to looking at some Corvettes. So see you guys in a little bit.
We're just gonna stay here. Can't find a car to get back to Chicago. We're just gonna buy a house. Is it dog friendly?
Yeah.
Yo, this is so cool. How they got neons on all the trucks and cars.
Yeah. So this lit. Yeah, this lights up at night. It's cool. Maybe.
This is Peter. Someone tell him to cut his hair. He struggles to fill up water in his dog.
Different than toilets.
Look at this here.
Yeah. You see the ceiling, Kevin? Come on, this is pretty cool. This is what a beam.
This is a real beam, Sam.
Alright, looks like we're about to do another Houston trip. Jack doesn't have the address for this next guy, that's an hour away.
I'll find it eventually. I'll just stalk his ass.
Yeah. But right now, Jack's enjoying his ice cream.
We had to get it to go because we're gonna be late for this trip that we don't know where we're going.
Yes.
Pour the chocolate fudge on it?
No. That'll make me
We
fat.
should have asked for the skillet too. We like to keep that cookie hot in our skillet.
Come on. We're off. We're back. Another update. The guy in Greenville that we just drove an hour out to ghosted us. Didn't look at anything at all. So we're gonna head back to my place, regroup the crew, and then head to Oklahoma City and try a different state. Maybe Texas is not the state. So
Peter won't let us pull over and cry in his tent. We'll bump out of my van too.
you know what? Buc-ee's is in 7 miles, so I may just prop it over there. You cry with the beaver. Alright, we'll see you back home. A little backstory, guys. We are in Oklahoma right now. We were just in Texas, now in Oklahoma, and it's midnight. Alright, what we got here, Jack?
Something rattling.
Yeah. Yeah, so we got some sunfade there.
This is peeling. This is up, not just sunfade.
Yeah, well, it started with sunbathing, it starts peeling.
Or the whole doors be sprayed.
Yeah, possibly.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, yes, you can tell. It's been sprayed. That's been sprayed. The whole. Yeah, the whole front end's been sprayed.
This one might not be.
This is definitely resprayed. That's for sure. You can
You
just
can
tell.
see it. This guy just got pimples.
Yeah.
Headlights.
That's not good.
Yeah, I just seen what I could see.
Yeah, like this, you can see the paint here. This has all been resprayed, and you can feel it coming through here. What has it?
That was cool though. So what are we doing? Hotel, motel, Holiday Inn?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what tomorrow brings us.
How was the car?
And once again, it's another new day. It is Tuesday.
Another one.
This has been a very long vlog. I think this.
Longest Friday ever.
Yeah. When did we actually start? Saturday. So technically, we've been starting this vlog since Saturday. Is now Tuesday.
So, we had people message me back.
Okay.
So far, out of the 33, I had 6 message me back for the whole trip. 27 still didn't. But now more have messaged me back. So,
Good.
Breakfast of champions. I'm so glad I stayed at Holiday Inn Express last night.
Checked out my hair. It's so long.
It's from your car. It's not mine.
Oh, then I don't know who it is.
First of all,
Is that the one from
It's
the other?
partially open.
You told us today if
that the-
you seen floor candy, you would strongly consider it.
Oh,
Remember?
the
I ate
candy,
it.
the
It's
candy,
gone.
the candy
I
was
ate
not.
Not eat it.
I
Kevin
kicked it
kicked
down
in
the elevator shaft.
I went down there to eat it.
It was
I
minty.
fetched it.
All right, Kevin, we need to see you take a drink of that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, first time Kevin's drinking a Bang.
Bang, bang.
Okay, here we go.
Emotional damage.
Emotional damage.
Check me in 30 minutes.
Hey.
Free shake with that Oreo shake and some whipped cream on the top two. 2 straws, 1 shack, girl, I got you. Bougie like Maddie.
Okay, so this is the update about everything. We are not getting a Corvette. Everything fell through. Everyone's at Flakers. This is not gonna work out.
You what?
I'm telling everyone that we're not getting a Corvette.
There's one
never,
Park.
but we're not getting it today. Is he gonna let us show up at midnight?
No, I told him I'd see it on Saturday, Friday or
That's what I'm
Saturday.
getting at. So for at least this video wise, we are not getting a Corvette. He'll probably,
We tried pretty hard, but these guys are knuckleheads.
yeah. So I mean, yeah, honestly, I think
They either have trash cars that are reasonable on the price, or they have decent cars and they want your firstborn.
yeah. I mean, you could give up Fiona.
She's there's no way. Corey would kill me.
How about for a C8?
I tried to tell Corey I can make another one.
What about for a C8?
I can make another one.
Yeah. So
Give your third, it'd be easier because I don't have a third yet, so no one's attached yet.
But anyways, we're gonna end the video right here. It's gonna get dark soon. We're gonna refuel our stomachs and refuel the car. But it's good to hang out with Jack. It's actually been a minute since we actually hung out this long.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, because every time I see him, I visit him for maybe a couple hours at his house.
In and out.
And
he
then-
goes to his other friends. The cooler ones than me, apparently.
Yeah. But this is good to catch up in.
Cookie, don't you smile at that. I'm an OG there, feller.
Feller.
You guys are new news.
But yeah, so hopefully we get some more adventures, more road trips and everything. And there's a lot, actually I say there's a lot planned for the future.
Once people start taking Bitcoin to buy used cars, then we'll be doing more road trips for cars.
Yeah, and if we have our bigger feature plans set up and it works out, there's gonna be a lot of Jack in the picture. So, all right, and also Kevin, of course. So, all right, so I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you guys hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hope you watch this video. Couple dings and dents on some scratches. Guy said he had a little baby deer driving down the road.
What's the other guy got?
Fuel rails.
Oh. Say oh, but I don't know what that is.